Hey you guys, my name is Brittany and today I am here with a soul food mukbang. Y'all got some fried chicken on the menu, collard greens, cornbread, and some yams. We're gonna get into the prayer and we're gonna get right into this thing, y'all. I'm ready to eat. Amen. So I got some ice right here, y'all, and some Sprite. Ooh, that table moving. Sorry you guys. And this Sprite is from my no burping challenge I just did, y'all, today. So after y'all watch this video, go check that video out if you haven't already. I was thinking about something. Y'all got some 2 times spicy sauce right here. I'm gonna drizzle that on here. I was thinking about putting it all over everything, calling it 2 times spicy soul food mukbang. How about that, y'all? Put a little spice on there. We're gonna call it 2 times spicy. All over there. I think I'm gonna leave this cornbread without it, y'all. Yep. I had a taste for a little spice today, y'all. And I got a fork over here, but I say maybe I can make this a challenge. Like you can pick whatever kind of food you want to eat, but not noodles, but like, like anything else. And eat with your chopsticks. Eat your food with your chopsticks. Let's see how this works, y'all. And I would challenge anybody and everybody who's watching. And y'all can challenge whoever y'all want to challenge. That 2 times spicy good on them greens. Yeah, I eat so fast and then I get full fast. I need to slow down. I do a cornbread. I didn't even give y'all a bite. I know y'all want some with the 2 times spicy on it. Y'all like it hot? That stuff too hot, huh, y'all? It's really not. It's really good though. It's spicy. Let me not say it's really not, because it really is. But it tastes so good. Here, there y'all go. I'm not good at chopsticks, y'all. I'm okay. And I can't pick it all up like when it's at the bottom got a little bit. I can try, but we'll see how this play out. Some of these yams. Ready for this chicken. This chicken. It's the leg, y'all. Hope y'all having a great day. Hope y'all can see the food good. I know when I get towards the end, I probably gonna put these suckers down. Let's see. Okay. These the glory something. The canned greens, y'all, collard greens. So good. I was about to pick it up with my hand. The chicken tender, that's just how I'm holding chopsticks. This is a real challenge too, y'all. It's not easy. But I'm making it do. Yeah, I just thought of this challenge as I was getting dressed. I said, why not? So hopefully, y'all try it. I didn't even search to see if it was done before, so I don't know. My lips burning. These greens and cornbread so good. Okay. I'm picking it up pretty good at the end. Better than I thought I was. With some of that cornbread. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat all this chicken. Not right now. I got quiet for a minute, y'all. My lips on fire. Oh. So yeah, y'all try this challenge. Get y'all use some chopsticks. Eat whatever you want to eat. Just like, no noodles, you know. Something we don't eat. Use chopsticks to eat with. And go ahead and make it spicy. You don't have to make it spicy, but if you want, make it. If not, just eat everything with your chopsticks. No poking. None of this. I went for the thigh because I know I'm not going to be able to break this with these sticks. So, oh yeah, I could have picked it up. The skin. Come on, chicken. Yeah, my lips, my tongue is burning. I know I said that already, but it is. That was good, y'all. Yeah, this is a whole chicken cut up. You know, it's 8 pieces. It's cut up. This 4 pieces. The other 4 put up. That was good, y'all. I keep forgetting to get some straws, y'all. I'm gonna get me a box of straws. So when I do my videos, I have to put in my cup. Well, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, thumbs it up. Subscribe, you guys. Hit the bell on the side, get notified when I upload new videos. And share this video with everyone, y'all. And I hope I see y'all try this challenge out. What I could call it. Chopstick challenge. I don't know. I'm going to think of something, y'all. I'm going to think of something. And I'm going to put it. Y'all going to see it, you know, on the title. Y'all have a great day. I love you guys. Peace.